Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw soften, your body begin to rest. Leo, you spend so much of your life shining for others. Sometimes people call you dramatic, or say you're always seeking the spotlight. But what they don't always see is the heart behind your fire. Your warmth isn't performance, it's love. You shine because you want others to remember their own light. And right now, this meditation is your time. Not the stage, not the applause. Just the stillness where your heart gets to be held. This is your spotlight of rest, your stage of stillness. Above you, imagine the sun, golden, radiant, steady. Its warmth pours down like liquid light, touching the crown of your head, flowing down through your face, your chest, your arms, your legs, all the way to your toes. Breathe in and feel that light expand in your chest. Breathe out and let it melt away tension, doubt, and the noise of what people expect from you. With each breath, say silently, inhale, I am light. Exhale, I am safe. Now bring your awareness to your heart. This is your true crown, not the gold one people imagine, but the radiant fire you carry inside. You've probably felt the weight of being misunderstood, as if your brightness was too much or your passion too loud. But here there is no too much. There is only the perfect rhythm of your heart, steady and true. Place a hand on your chest. Whisper gently, I am loved for who I am, even when the applause fades. Let that truth echo softly inside. Now picture the bright mask you sometimes wear, the performer, the entertainer, the lion who roars. See it in front of you. Admire it. Thank it. It has protected you. It has helped you shine, but gently, for now. Set it aside. Notice what remains, the soft glowing presence of your real self. The one who doesn't need to prove anything. The one who is already enough. Now imagine yourself standing on a stage, not with an audience, but with a circle of people you love most. They look at you, not for your crown or your performance, but for the way your light makes them feel safe, warm, alive. Your heart shines out like the sun, not to demand attention, but to give courage. You show others that their light matters too. Breathe in and feel your heart expanding. Breathe out and let that warmth ripple outward. blessing everyone in your circle. Take one more deep breath. Whisper these words: my fire is not too much. My love is not too much. I shine so others can remember their own light. And that is enough. When you're ready, open your eyes. Return to the room and carry this sun-hearted glow with you wherever you go.